guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back, guys. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Why? So it's my birthday on Monday and I decided to bake myself a cake. So today's video is DIY how to bake myself a cake and how to bake my parents their anniversary cake. Turns out that my birthday and my parents' anniversary is on the same day. Yeah, guys. I'll get right into the tutorial. I have a special guest coming in, and also if you have not subscribed, subscribe button is somewhere down here. Please do not forget to subscribe. Also give this video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and leave comments in the comment section if you have questions or comments about this video. So let's get right to my guest. So it turns out that I am in the same space with Delicio. If you've eaten, the experience is not explainable, guys.
Okay.
For people that attend Lifeway Chapel, they know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
It is not explainable. You just have to taste the cake. So we're going to be baking a cake together with her today. My birthday cake. Guys, how cool is that? So we're just going to introduce her. She's going to tell us a bit about herself and how she got into this whole cake business. Mind you, she does not make only cakes. She makes smart chops, she makes whatever it is you want. I'm going to leave a link to her Instagram page in the description box. So please be sure to check it out, guys.
Alright,
Back to you. Hello.
Hi, thank you, Rachel, for having me on your channel. I'm so excited to be here. Alright, guys, my name is Tolulope Aktobatele and I own Deliciocakes. I've been at this officially for about 4 years. Yes.
But if you eat the cake, it sounds like somebody that has been at it from her mother's womb.
Yeah, I actually started trial and error, just like passion.
Okay.
Yeah. So I started by using my family as guinea pigs. Trial and error, watch YouTube videos, try, make errors, try, and here we are, 4 years and counting. And it's been an amazing experience. It's just been awesome. I get to go into the kitchen and create something that I think is absolutely delicious. Give it to people, and the smile on your face when you eat the cakes is just very satisfying. It makes everything absolutely worth it. The sleepless nights, the being here over and over again in the kitchen, you know, all covered in flour and sugar. I'm sure the bakers can testify to it. But like I said, it's totally worth it, and I wouldn't rather be anywhere else.
So if you want a bite, leave a comment in the comment section. You might get it. It's on a probability. If you can handle the delivery, fine. So let's get right to the tutorial, guys.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm going to leave a list to all the materials we use in the description box, so please be sure to check it out.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
this is our finished product. How many people, be sincere with yourself and your church mind, let your church mind speak for you. How many people can boast that they baked their cake themselves? If you can boast, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. So, on a rating of 1 to 5, how well do you think I did?
Well, before I rate you, I think that you make an awesome cake decorator. But
Guys, did you hear? Did you hear that?
You're a DIY person now, so I wouldn't expect less. But seriously, if you keep at this, you would make an awesome cake decorator. So really, okay, ratings on a scale of 1 to 10. I'll give you like a 7.5. You did.
That's not. It's A. There's no.
Hold on, there's A and there's A plus now, so I think it kind of.
I don't know. In Nigeria, it's A not A. I beg. A is A. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, leave comments in the comment section. Do not forget to share this video with your friend, and also, this is a special episode. So if you like to order a cake, please order a cake from her and tell her I sent you. And once you order a cake using the coupon code Raecreates, you get free cupcakes, guys. Free cupcakes. So please do order a cake, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Ciao.
Peace.